Today we're going to be writing the words place value in cursive. To start, let's define it. The definition of place value is the worth of each digit in a number. So I've written a number down here for us as an example. I'm going to go ahead and read it. So this number says 2,578 and 901 thousandths. When I break this number apart, I can tell which each place value is. So the 2 is in the thousands, the 5 the hundreds, the 7 the tens, the 8 the ones. This little dot is a decimal. Then we're going to move on to the 9, which is in my tenths place, my 0, which is in my hundredths place, and then my 1, which is in my thousandths place. All right, now that we understand a little bit better what place value means, we're going to look at the word and see if there's anything special. I'm noticing right away that the P and the L don't connect, as well as the V and the A don't connect, so that's something we're going to want to watch for when we write the word. All right, let's go ahead and start. We're going to go nice and slow and try not to pick up our pencil whenever possible. That way it's one nice fluid movement. And remember, if yours doesn't look exactly like mine, that's okay, because cursive is a style and we're just going to do the best that we can. All right, starting at the top for the P, we're going to come down to the floor, come back up, give it a loop. Remember, our P and the L don't connect, so we're going to come down to the floor for the L, come about 3/4 of the way up, cross it at the bottom, halfway for our A, connecting at the top, back down to the floor, halfway for our C, give it a nice curve, and halfway for our E, cross it at the bottom. All right, going to pick up our pencil to go to the V. We have a little curvy top for our V and pointed on the bottom. Again, we're picking up our pencil from the V to the A because they're not going to connect. At the floor for the A, come about halfway, connect it at the top, come back down. Again, the L is about 3/4 of the way. Down to the floor to connect to our U. Halfway for our U, nice and round on the bottom. And connecting to our E, which is going to be halfway, and crossing at the bottom. There you have it. You've written the word place value. We don't have any T's to cross or I's to dot, so that's all you need to do. For more practice, please subscribe to my channel and see the show notes for links to similar videos. I'll also go ahead and link in my description my Teacher Pay Teacher, where you can find my cursive practice pages. Thank you for watching, and remember, cursive is a skill, so the more you practice, the better you'll get. I'll see you next time. Bye!